Hi guys, okay, I just posted a YouTube short like yesterday night, and I got something. I showed you this side of the thing I got, but this time I'm gonna show you this side of the thing. I got a BB gun. I'll remove the plastic by the way. I didn't like it. Wait, should I do like those armor says or armor says? Okay, I'm done. So, just like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Because I got zero. I got some views on my YouTube, but all of you guys are not subscribed. The only person that subscribed to me is my cousin, and I also subscribed to her. So I didn't see it. Was I gonna see it before? They look good. They look good. Does it look good? Okay, first up we have the razor. Then I have to remove this white thing like this. And it's the laser. Hey, that's a good laser. Why not? That's a good laser. Got some BBs. Got some other BBs that they already pulling that for me. Oh my god! Okay. The moment we all have been waiting for. Damo, please. They are. What is this gun called? So it's the R833A. It's it is from a real gun. So they tried to mold it into a BB gun, and they couldn't cut it the same. And this BB gun is the same size as the gun can. So yeah, it says right there, real scale completed. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna try this thing out. Oh! Oh! Let's go shake it. Drink. I'm gonna shoot at this cardboard box. The box. Sorry. By the way, it's raining outside for some reason. It's raining, but it's hot. Not that hot. It's not hot, but it's hot. It's not hot, but it's hot. For some reason, I don't know why. Okay. First up, the price was $100. I bought it from Rustin Big Show. If you guys went to Rustin Big Show, well, it was nice. So, and the way, if you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna shoot your car tires. Okay? So like and subscribe. So I'm shooting this. And I hope it goes through. Okay, let's hope it goes through. It goes through. What is this box? Damn! Didn't do a dent. Where's the beat? What's it? I'll find it. Okay, I'll find it. Anyways. This thing's actual fit, bro. Everyone like and subscribe. By the way, I'm just repeating it. I forgot if I said it or not. Like and subscribe or I'm shooting your tires. I already said it or something. I don't know. It's been 5 minutes. 6. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do a load of 1 baby. Okay. Trying to do it. I shoot you guys. Right. Or never. Hey, no question. I need to do this. Swear to God, if it does not go through, I don't know. I didn't go through. Where's the baby? Bro. I did too many times. I did do damage to it, but not a lot. It's like, almost came through. Oh, she was. Yeah. Right. Okay. Right here. It did do some damage. It did do some damage. By the way, get what you paid for. No, you get what you paid for. So no refunds. I bought this as Rusty McShow. Rusty McShow is not coming against him up until next year. So this game, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for life, bro. By the way, the iron sight and the laser shoot where you want it to shoot. It shoots where you want it to shoot. No, it shoots where you want to shoot. Bro. Like, oh, bro. Die! Two! Die! Two! One, 2, 1. Okay. So I put the extra bullet there. This is gonna be the end of the stream. Hope you liked it. Please leave a comment and bye. Boom. I don't know if you so. Bye bye.